If you are looking to make some extra money, if you need some kind of way to pay your bills, if you feel like your one stream of income from your job is not helping you and you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, then in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how selling digital products is going to help you, because I've been able to make $500 just today selling digital products, and it is only $309. And I want to put you guys on to selling digital products. And if you've been seeing people talk about digital products and you're wondering how to get started, no worries. In today's video, I got you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and I am a full-time entrepreneur. So today, you guys, I want to talk to you about starting your digital product business. I want to give you guys my input, some things that has helped me, and what I feel like will help you so that you can start your digital product business and you can begin to make $500 a day, just as I have done just today. So what is a digital product? Just in case you've never heard of a digital product or you are not familiar with the term, a digital product is basically something that you're going to sell digitally. This can be an ebook, it can be a course, it could be a template, it can be a budget planner, like literally anything that you can sell online digitally without you having to send a product to their address. That is what a digital product is. So when it comes to selling digital products, you guys, the easiest way for you to get into selling digital products is gonna be by using PLR or MRR digital products. A PLR product is gonna be a private label right product, and an MRR digital product is gonna be a master reseller rights digital product. So the difference between the two is, with a PLR digital product, this means that you can customize the ebook, the course, or whatever it is that you're selling to make it be your own brand. You can change the colors, the fonts, you can add different things to it. Whatever you choose to do with this digital product, you can rebrand it as your own. So with the master reseller rights, you do not have permission to change anything. You're basically just reselling it the same way it is that you purchased the digital product from whoever it is that you purchased the product from. Now, when it comes to selling digital products, you guys, you have to make sure that you know who it is that you are talking to. You have to make sure that you have something that is high in demand. And if you're saying, Tiara, you know, I want to start selling digital products and I'm tired of living paycheck to paycheck and I don't know exactly what to sell, no worries, I got you. So when I started selling digital products, you guys, I literally bundle up together PLR digital products that I had purchased and learned from, and I start reselling them. So you guys can literally go on my website, and I'll link it down below, and you can have 1,600 done for you reels, where you're able to use these reels. If you're someone who wants to go faceless, you don't have to show your face. You're literally going to use these videos that I'm going to give you guys, and you want to put catchy hooks on those videos. In this package, you will also get 10 done for you ebooks that's going to teach you how to post, what to post, and exactly what to say. You're going to get digital product ideas. You guys, this is going to be so much information that's going to help you to start your digital product business. But not only will this help you start your digital product business, but you will have PLR resale rights to my bundle. So with the PLR resale rights, this means that you're going to take my bundle, which I have linked below, and you will also be able to learn from it, but you can resell it as your own. You can customize it to your own brand. You can sell it how I'm doing it, which is in a bundle, or you can take these ebooks, you guys, and take those videos and sell them all individually according to how you want to set up your business. When it comes to where you're going to put your digital products in order for you to sell them, I highly suggest that you start with StanStore. StanStore is so beginner friendly, and with StanStore you're able to get started with a 14-day free trial. So that means that you have 14 days, you guys, to be able to sell these digital products with no charge to you. Now, once your 14 days is up, you will have to upgrade to a paid version of Stan Store, and they have two different plans. The first plan is going to be $29, and the second plan is going to be $99. Now, the only difference between the two is the $29 plan does not allow you to take payment plans. Everybody who purchased from you will have to use their card, or they will have to use PayPal in order for you to accept payments. But if you get the $99 plan, you're able to accept payment plans. Now, if you're someone who's selling low digital product tickets, as I'm doing, you do not have to upgrade to the $99 plan as of right now. You want to start with the $29 plan, and you want to see how this works for you. And as you begin to make sales, then you can see about upgrading your plan to the $99 plan so that you can start accepting payment plans. The biggest thing that you want to know when it comes to selling your digital products is how to market these digital products. When it comes to marketing, you have to make sure that you are posting consistently, and you have to make sure you know exactly who it is that you are talking to. So for me, my niche is helping other women just like myself start selling digital products. So because of this, I make content that's going to be tailored to women who want to start making extra streams of money, women who want to quit their job and become a full-time entrepreneur as I am. So when you are thinking about what to post, you want to make sure that you are posting hooks, reels, videos, things that are going to talk to who it is that you are trying to sell to. The best platforms for you to begin posting on is going to be Instagram, here on YouTube, or if you already have a following somewhere else, you can start there. So for instance, with me, when I first got into selling digital products, not this time right here, but the first time I ever did it a couple years ago, I started off selling my digital products on Facebook. And that's because I had already built a business on Facebook, and because I had already built my business on Facebook, everybody already knew me as someone who was in the business industry, and they needed my advice and my assistance. So when I first started in business, a lot of people used to ask me, how was I able to quit my 9-to-5 job and start a business making 6 figures? So because of this, I was able to create my first digital product with a ebook tailored to helping people who wanted to become their own boss and quit their 9-to-5 job. So depending on who it is that you're talking to is how you want to begin posting your content. You want to make sure that you are talking to their pain points. You want to make sure that your digital product is going to be something that you are helping them with in a specific niche. For instance, if you decide that you want to get the bundle that I currently have on sale for $47, that includes the 10 digital product ebooks as well as the 1,600 done for you videos, you are able to resell that, and you want to talk specifically to other women who may be tired of living paycheck to paycheck. You want to be relatable. You want to share and tell your story. You want to make sure that you are standing out and that your customers or your target audience feel as if you are connecting with them and as if you are talking directly to them. So you don't want to overcomplicate this. You don't have to overcomplicate this. All you have to do is think of who it is that you are talking to. Think of it as you are talking to a friend, and you're trying to help your friend start a business, or you are trying to encourage your friend to start a business or to help them to make more money. How would you talk to your friend? How would you convince your friend that this is something that they need? When you are thinking about what it is that you need to say to your audience, what it is you need to do to drive sales, you basically want to talk as if you are relatable. You want to make sure that you understand your audience, and you want to make sure that they know that they can trust you so that they will purchase from you. So once you have these things down pat, you guys, you want to make sure that you are posting and you are staying in front of your audience so that you can begin to drive traffic to your website. So if you guys have any questions, if you need me to touch on specific needs that you have for your digital product business, make sure you let me know down in the comments so that I can make more videos to help you guys start your digital product business. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video.